fidget trading. Okay, so first I am going to be trading a pink pop tube, a green marble mesh, and a purple, violet, and pink tangle. Going once, going twice, going 3 times? Really, no one? Okay, I'll put it back. Wait, please, wait, I have an offer. Oh, okay, what's your offer? Okay, my offer is this Orbeez stress ball, this Rubik's Cube mini version, this blue snake, and this pink cat Neato. Please accept, please. Okay, really good offer. I think this is a win. I will accept. OMG, thank you so much. Yay! Okay, very first trade was a great success. I'm not gonna mess this up. Now we are going to be going on to trade 2. Okay, so now I will be trading a pink and white poppet, a yellow Neato that color changes to orange, and a dimple. Going once, going twice. OMG me, please, I want to offer. Okay, what's your offer? Okay, my offer is this Bumblebee Orbeez stress ball, this teal Among Us poppet, this this orange and blue wacky track, this pea popper, and this pink and blue infinity cube. Great offer, but if you add a little more, I'll accept. Ugh, fine, I will add only because I want that dimple. I will add this blue fidget spinner. Is that enough? Please accept. Okay, great offer. I will accept. Alright guys, well that trade was another big success, and I am very happy with all the fidgets that I got and all the fidgets the other trader got. And I will be doing a part 2 to this soon. Come back for more fidget trading videos. Have a great day or night, and goodbye.